The world is up in arms, all the pieces falling apart. Gotta get out while you can. Gotta get out while you can. The drums inside my chest just can't seem to catch a breath. Gotta get out while you can. 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 Am I gonna swim? Am I gonna sink? Am I gonna bend? Am I gonna break? Or will I make it out alive? Make it out.
I'm not sure how this VTX is going to fare.
What's wrong with the VTX?
It's just super close to the VT or to the flight controller in there.
Oh yeah?
We'll see.
Am I gonna fly? Am I gonna fall? Am I gonna live? Gonna lose it all? Or will I make it out alive? Make it out alive. Am I gonna fly? Am I gonna fall? Am I gonna live? Gonna lose it all? Or will I make it out alive? Make it out alive. The pressure's weighing down, it's closing in all around. Gotta get out while you can. Gotta get out while you can. Am I gonna swim? Am I gonna sink? Am I gonna bend? Am I gonna break? Or will I make it out alive? Make it out alive. Am I gonna fly? Am I gonna fall? Am I gonna live? Gonna lose it all? Or will I make it out alive? Make it out alive. Am I gonna fly? Am I gonna fall? Am I gonna live? Gonna lose it all? Or will I make it out alive? Make it out alive. Am I gonna swim? Am I gonna sink? Am I gonna bend? Am I gonna break? Or will I make it out alive? Make it out alive. Am I gonna swim? Am I gonna sink? Am I gonna bend? Am I gonna break? Or will I make it out alive? Make it out alive.
So far, everything feels like it survived. Ooh, that battery though took a massive hit on the corner. Ugh. Besides that, I am also sheared off on my antenna, like completely sheared the antenna straight off. So I'll go take a look and see if I can find it just for fun. But that's funny. Oh man. Oh, 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 I almost had the props, the hook at the last second. It's the problem is the gap, like it jumps every time I pull it. Oh wait, oh! Like every time I pull the thing, it pops out of the groove. Like this thing, it like wants to jump. You know what I mean? Oh! Oh shit! No, it's still connected. Thought maybe I lost one of my GoPros. I forgot there's 2 GoPros on this fucking thing. This thing's like it's like a $1,300 quad on top of a roof right now. I did have it. I did move it. Oh wait, I think I got the GoPro. Oh! Now I've got it nose down in a groove. It's coming though. If I can hook it on the backside now, it'll flip. Ah, that doesn't have a hook, like it doesn't have a loop on it, right?
No.
It's just a bag. Yeah, see, that's what I need. I need something at this point that it's gonna hook on it. I really should just go get that fucking, if I had that floral wire, dude, floral wire would do the trick like a mofo. Never gonna leave home without that shit again. Oh my God. Oh. I cannot reach it. Oh. It's literally like inches. Please don't lose anything on it on the last second. Oh. Oh wait, hold on. If I can position this lasso around the GoPro, oh, then cinch it. Oh, I got it! 20 minutes later, and a dent in my hood. I don't care.
I did the same thing.